In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect monday.com to n8n. We'll start inside monday.com because the first thing n8n needs is permission to access your account. Open monday.com, and once you're on your workspace, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access additional tools and settings. From that menu, click Developers. This is where monday.com gives you access to technical resources for integrations, including your API token. Once you're in the developer area, click API token. You should see an option to reveal or manage your token. Go ahead and click copy to copy that token to your clipboard. This token is sensitive, so make sure you keep it private and avoid sharing it anywhere publicly. Now switch over to n8n. From your n8n workspace, click Create Workflow to start a new automation. This opens a blank canvas where you can add the first node in your workflow. Click Add First Step, and in the search bar that appears, type monday.com. When the monday.com option shows up in the list, click it to add the monday.com node to your workflow. After adding the node, choose the action. Create a board. Even if your end goal is to use a different monday.com action later, this is a good way to begin setting up the connection because it prompts n8n to request credentials for your account. Next, click Setup Credential. This is where you connect n8n to monday.com using the API token you copied earlier. Paste the token into the appropriate field, then fill in the rest of the required details shown on screen. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. Once those details are filled in, n8n should be able to authenticate with monday.com and save the credential for future workflows. That means you won't need to repeat this setup every time you want to use monday.com in n8n. A quick tip before you finish: if the connection doesn't work right away, double check that you copied the full API token and that there aren't any extra spaces when you paste it into n8n. It's also a good idea to confirm you're signed into the correct monday.com account before creating the token. And that's it. You've now connected monday.com to n8n, and you're ready to start building automations using your monday.com data.